More than 34 people are dead due to snow hazard. The highest number of fatality is in New York State. There is power outage due to the current situation on ground, and even some airports are closed and planes are grounded. The roads are currently flooded, and there's so much snow on the streets. There is need for them to be cleared up. Temperatures have also become low and now life-threatening. People have to be indoors, covered up, and another 60 centimeters of snow is expected between today and tomorrow. So everybody needs to be careful. And there is continuous effort being made to scrape the snow flood off the roads, even the rails, and on airport highways to boost flow and movement of people. This is Winners Aboard. Please subscribe to this channel so that we'll keep getting you updated with the current happenings around the globe. Thank you.